Hi, my name is Tyler McBee. I'm the Climate Activation Manager for Eastern Kansas and Western Missouri. And today I wanted to walk through a quick example of how to use our FieldView seed script tool to write a planting prescription. So the first thing you'll do is go to our website at climate.com. You'll then click to log into your account. You'll see my information is saved, but it's gonna pull up all of your fields here. I'm gonna scroll down to my scripting test field, choose that option, and this is going to pull up my field information. From here, I'm going to click on the prescriptions tab, and this will pull up our scripting tool. So from here, you'll see you can build a fertility, planting, or crop protection prescription. We're going to go ahead and choose planting. You can see I've already written a couple of scripts for this field, but we're going to choose create new prescription at the bottom of the screen. And on this page, you've got the ability to choose our FieldView seed script option or create a manual planting prescription. We're going to go ahead and choose FieldView seed scripts. And from here, what you're going to see is it's going to pull in any of that historical data that you have on your account, as well as any of field health images that exist on the account as well. So as you can see with this field, we've got yield data from 2019 clear back to 2016, as well as field health images back to 2017. The tool is going to leverage the data and field health images both to create the management zones. Now, with this field, I do know in 2020 we didn't have, the quality field health image that year, so I'm going to go ahead and uncheck and remove that data layer. Everything else looks correct. We've got the appropriate crop for each year. I'm going to choose next at the bottom of the screen. And from here, this is where we're going to create that planning plan. So I'm going to go ahead and write a script for DeKalb 6595. So you type that in, choose the rib option. When we enter that target yield, you should have this box here that gives you a little more information on your yield data. So as you can see with this field, our highest corn average was 193, and our average based on the yield data we have was 192. So we'll stick with that average, put in our seed costs, and grain price we'll choose next at the bottom of the screen. And from here, you can see our tool is leveraging that those field health images and yield maps to create our zones. And so our tool here is recommending 6 zones for this field. You can see the average population just under 35,000, from the lowest zone of 31,000, up to 39,000. So, pretty big disparity between zones. If that average population feels a little high, you can actually use this slider bar to adjust to a more lower investment mindset. And this will adjust the populations by zone. And so as you can see, it's still going to maintain the integrity of the spread between zones in the population, but lower that overall pop down to just under 32,000. So we like that population. We're going to go ahead and choose Finish in Editor at the bottom of the screen. And this is the final step of creating a script using our tool. And so at this point, you've got the ability to manually manipulate those populations or target yields by zone if you'd like. You also can draw, create, merge, change the zones within the field if you'd like to do that as well. We're going to go ahead and click Save. You get a pop-up here at the top of the screen that lets us know that script was saved successfully. Once that's done, we can actually close the tool, and from here choose to export that script and choose the type of file that you would like our tool to export. So we've got a couple different monitors listed, planting monitors listed here. So you choose the appropriate file, choose the appropriate monitor. From there, you can download the script, and it will be ready to upload into your monitor to execute the script. We've also got some in-field resources to help you with this process. We can send one of our activation specialists out to help you get this script uploaded into your monitor and ready to execute in the field. Ran through this pretty quickly, but if you have any additional questions around our FieldView Seed Scripts tool, I recommend you reach out to your local dealer or your local FSR, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks, and have a great successful planting season.